Hey guys, welcome back to another live trading session. We're looking at S&P 500 and mini futures. The time frame is 2000 tick chart. The stock market is opening, so we have a spike in volatility. The structure of the market is indicating bullish trend. I can observe this by EMA pointing up, rejecting prices consistently, high highs and high lows. I have a nice channel working hard that fits pretty well. So I had initial tight channel, but right now the wider channel fits pretty good. So uptrend is in play. I'm not thinking about selling. I'm only going to be observing the correction and see how the price action reacts near the key entry point. And if we're going to break the channel, I'm going to be expecting the new extreme. Normally, I wouldn't record my session like this, but on Friday, there's a trading holiday. So there's no video on Friday, so I'm going to record this today. We have a downtrend working lower. This is only first entry long. It is at the key entry point, but it is just a first entry long. And I have series of highs here, allowing me to connect the wider channel. So I'm respecting this correction. As we know, the high volatility setup is a two-legged pullback at the key entry point under right context. The downtrend is in play, and this is just a first entry long here. So we can see the two-legged pullback played out. This downtrend had a break, move to a new extreme. Now I'm looking for push above EMA. We have a potential high low here if we trigger above this bar, confirming the two-legged pullback, expecting new high. But of course, the signal bar is outrageously bad. It is a bearish doji because there's tail at the top. So I really cannot go long here. Correction is still going sideways, and I'm just waiting my turn to find a good setup to go long here. Okay, so I'm resuming the video as we have a combination of two high probability setups, which is a very powerful setup. New low over the correction, first attempt to sell, pull back, second attempt to sell, failure, so fell second entry short. New high, first entry long, second entry long. So this is double high probability setup, but you can see EMA flattened exactly in the middle of these bars. This is a congestion bad one. So normally I would like taking a gorgeous double high probability setup had we at least stayed above EMA. I would disregard the congestion had we at least stayed above EMA because we need to get new high. This is giving me the main bias for today. I expect new high according to trend line rule. The price action is telling me everything. Downtrend played out. But because it is so congested, I just couldn't bring myself to take it. I was looking for high low breakout pullback, but it looks like it will just go high without us. So price action right now is correct and a little bit stronger. So I'm drawing a brand new downtrend working lower, respecting it, not buying because this downtrend is in play. We attempted to get a new high, so that may be enough. I'm not ready to give up on new high just yet. Now, sometimes it is so close that bulls may consider this new extreme. I'm going to be observing the retracement. If you're going to retrace too far down, then I'm just going to adapt. So the retracement was too deep, so new high attempt was enough. First leg break, second leg. Right now, the channel aligns with the EMA, but I have only two swings. I need a third swing confirmation, but the push down is quite substantial. You can see we traced too much for the downtrend. So I'm adapting to a brand new structure in the market, which is bearish trend. All right, we have a two-legged pullback, second entry short. I'm going back and forth whether there's overshoot or not. The overshoot is so tiny, not that big of a deal, but problem is the second entry short is an inside bar with doji. Not full at the EMA, so I definitely need to see better setup. As you can see, I need to respect the rules because we just had two-legged pullback down, so we can have a little bit stronger pullback if we're going to combine it with the overshoot. So we can see bad signal bar, not at the EMA. You need to be patient. Right here, so I'm resuming the video because I just took the lower high confirmation setup of the previous second entry short here, because right now we confirmed the second entry short, the EMA held again. We're very close to getting our target profit filled. Come on. We're bouncing max the order. We bounced off my order, but we didn't tick through here. Come on. I'm scalping 8 ticks. Okay, traders, so we finally got out. We ticked through the order. So this was a gorgeous textbook high probability setup. It happened super fast, as you saw. I barely had a chance to react and it dropped. So as you can see, two-legged pullback, the second entry short worked because we keep our stop loss one tick above the signal bar, so your stop was not hit. It is a horrible doji inside bar. There was a little attempt, double top, double rejection at the EMA, great deal on signal bar. The downtrend needs to get new extreme. So this is what I'm trying to do. Everything aligned, everything given to me based on price action, and this was the two-legged pullback, first leg up break, second leg up. So the downtrend reached new extreme, no run. Ooh, we may get a little runner here, we'll see. but we may correct because we have a break and new extreme here. So we have uptrend break new high. There was a failed second entry short, but it has a horrible bar. And also, this was quite a strong push down, so we can have another leg down. So I'm just waiting. The channel can be a little bit wider. So I'm just going to be respecting right now the neutral bias. I don't see bias now. It looks like area of development. It's too early for me to go long, and the downtrend played out. So I suspect we may have some trend range with slight bearish bias because we traded down into this. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to keep the trading simple. That doesn't mean it is easy, but I want to keep it simple. I'm looking for established trend, following the trend rules, established trend down, following the trend rules, looking for the good correction setups, or I want to see established trend range. Now these are tricky areas because all channels basically played out. The range is not as healthy and established. This is not like typical sideways structure like we had the past few days. This is just a market cycle transition. So I already know that I'm probably not going to be taking any setup soon, and I'm okay with this. You need to accept this. You cannot be looking for setup on every single candle. So this is the area on the chart where I already sit back, I relax, and I'm just going to be waiting for market to offer me a good key entry point, either this trend range confirmed so I can trust it, or some different bigger pattern, but I need to respect the area of development and be patient. So price session keeps developing. Once again, I'm hesitant to buy because we traded down into this. So I'm not sure what really is the structure. It's clearly going sideways with bearish bias, but as you can see, we're not fully at the resistance for me to take a high probability short setup. And it feels a bit too early for me to go long because we traded down into this. There's still some bearish bias, so more waiting for me now. So we had very weak downtrend. Now we have a break new high, range held, strong break below EMA. So I'm expecting a new low to be tested for this downtrend and this downtrend if we get a close outside. So I'm looking for a second entry short at the exponential moving average to get new extreme. I came back from my break. As you can see, this downtrend did get a break and retest. There was a strong bullish push back above EMA. So this is dictating brand new bullish bias in this market. There's a possibility for a little bit wider uptrend, but it feels still quite weak. So I'm going to be paying attention to the EMA, and plus we are overshooting a little bit. We'll see what the price action does. Overshoot led to a break, equal break. We're pushing back above EMA. So I was looking for a high-low confirmation setup of this two-legged pullback. We're pushing quite far up. You always want to see the high-low right after it pushes and breaks the EMA. So you have some momentum in the bullish push higher left. But we're breaking quite higher to the upside, so you can see the high-low hasn't formed. Right here, so I'm resuming the video because we have gorgeous filled second entry short. Because this uptrend right now is a brand new leg that needs to get new high. The momentum started, but it is super late. You know, this is way after my cutoff point, so I cannot take it. We can just sit here and watch this. Yeah, it already made the scalping new high, so they keep the best setup for last. Unfortunately, it's just too late. But this is a correction, new low, first entry short, second entry short failure, great single bar. And this uptrend, you can see the move up to new extreme of the initial channel was so big, so much larger than the initial channel, that it basically means that the brand new trend has been established. And this is perfect trend line rule. Felt second entry short, second entry long was horrible far from EMA, and new high was made. All right, traders, so I'm going to wrap it up with my one single trade. So this is the overall structure for today. At the very beginning, it was really easy to navigate. There was a great lower high confirmation setup. I marked two fairly aggressive setups, but overall this is pure indecision. It is hard to find a good high probability setup. As you can see, my energy was getting low and low because I'm no longer marking the chart. And there was great setup towards the close. And what a great structure towards the close. Would have been easy price action had it formed, let's say like 15-20 minutes earlier. The goal of a price action trader is to select the right setups, not to really increase the amount of subpar setups, so you can increase the number of contracts or get more price action accounts so you can leverage the good high probability setups. In fact, I know traders who trade 20 accounts. They take one single trade times 20 accounts and they're done for the day. So that's an opportunity as well. I'm going to wrap it up. I hope you had a good trading day, and I'm going to talk to you next time. Good luck with your trading.